Alright everybody, this is Andaleeb once again, and today is 5th of July and it's almost 6 of the evening, and today is 5th of July, so today is my birthday. Yeah, happy birthday to me. Yesterday was America's birthday and today is my birthday. The only difference is I am 224 years younger than America now. Okay, I am 26. And the other difference is, unlike America, I did not celebrate my birthday with firecrackers, with drone shows. I did not do any of this. Okay, and I did not even cut a cake to celebrate my birthday. I do not celebrate my birthday. All right, people at my place do not celebrate birthdays. People were just wishing me since the morning and asking for the party. I'm just gonna give them the party. I'm gonna take those people somewhere, and I'm gonna we're gonna eat something. But I do not believe in parties and cutting cakes and these lavish parties for birthdays. All right, I do not celebrate birthday like that. It is just a normal day for me. But since the morning, people have been texting me, people have been calling me, and I'm grateful for that. That I have those people who care about me, that they care, that they need to text me, that they care, that they need to call me on my birthday. I'm very grateful, very thankful to those people. But I do not celebrate birthdays like cutting the cake and all these kind of things. I just give them a treat. We go somewhere out. We have this little party of our own. We just have company of each other. We talk to each other. We eat something. It is just this is the only thing we do on my birthday, and I have not done this yet. I think we will do this evening, or I think some other evening, depending on the time, depending on the schedule of all of the people that I am going to go out with. So, putting aside birthday, let's talk some politics now. So today I saw this video of Rahul Shivshankar, and many of you might not know who Rahul Shivshankar is because he is not that famous, to be very honest. So he is like the face of the Times Now news channel. He hosts the prime time show of the Times Now news channel, The Nation Wants to Know. This show was earlier hosted by Arnab Goswami after he left Times Now. Now Rahul Shivshankar hosts this show. So he posted this video on Twitter in which he was responding to the critics of the E20 petrol. And this video was really ridiculous, because as I am talking to you guys, I am just talking to you, looking right in front of the camera. I am not reading it from somewhere, but he was reading what he was saying from somewhere. All right, it was clear. We could not see the screen on that video, but it was really clear. He was reading the arguments from somewhere because he was looking like somewhere else. Then he was reading a line and he was looking in front of the camera. He was looking there, he was reading a line, then he was looking into the camera. So it was like this. He was reading from somewhere, unlike me. I'm not reading from somewhere. I'm just talking to you guys straight from through my heart, from through my mind. All right, I'm really genuine and honest in this. And he talked about those critics, and he responded by saying that some of the people are saying that the government has launched E20 petrol to benefit the farmers. Well, none of the critic of the E20 petrol is saying this. All right, the people who are supporting the petrol are saying this, that the government has rolled this out to support the farmers. All right, so this is mistake number one. And the second thing, he was saying that the government has rolled this out for the environmental concerns. He says the critics are saying this. No, the critics are not saying this. The critics are just saying that this petrol is harming our engines, this petrol is damaging our engines, this petrol is reducing our mileage. We are not saying this, that the government has rolled this out for the farmers, the government has rolled this out to save the environment. And he also said that some of you are criticizing that the government has rolled this out, this E20 petrol, to reduce the crude oil imports. Come on, none of us are saying this. We do not care about them, about these things. Well, yeah, we care about these things, but not at the expense of our own pocket, all right? We do not want our engines to get damaged. We do not want our mileage to get reduced because we have to buy more petrol and we have to pay more. We care about these things, but not at the expense of these things, all right? We care about environment. We care about our farmers. We care about how much crude oil we are importing. But we do not care about these things at the expense of our own pocket, all right? This is the thing. This is what we are up against, all right? So this was really ridiculous video. These are not the actual things that we are up against. We are up against this thing. Because if our engines are going to get burst, we have to go for the insurance companies. And listen to me. And nobody is asking for E20 petrol. The people do not want it. The car maker do not want it, because the cars will, the engines will get reduced, and people might complain to car makers. Okay, the car makers do not want it. The insurance companies do not want it for sure, because if the engines might get hurt, might get damaged, then they have to pay for insurance. All right, they have to cover the expenses for that. And the oil companies surely do not want it, because they want everybody to buy pure petrol. They care about their own profits, all right? So the people do not want it, the car makers do not want it, the insurance companies do not want it, the oil companies do not want it. So why are you even doing this? Why is the government even doing this? This is the question. We are not against that the government is doing this to save the environment. The government is doing this to increase the income of the farmers. We are not against any of this, all right? The government can do this, but not at our expense. Not at the expense of our own pocket, not at the expense of our income, not at the expense of the engine of our cars, all right? This is what we are up against, Rahul Shivshankar, if you are listening. Okay, it was a really ridiculous video that you made, all right? Wow. He is rich. Of course, you are a rich person. You can, get new car every 5 years or so. The middle class cannot do this. We cannot do this, all right? That is why shut the fuck up with this. And the other thing is the CJP protest, which has been going on at Jantar Mantar. And yesterday Mahua Moitra joined that protest, and she became the only major politician to have associated herself with that protest. But after her, Sanjay Singh, not Sanjay Gandhi, Sanjay Singh of Aam Aadmi Party has also gone to the CJP protest. He is the other major politician after Mahua Moitra to have publicly associated himself or his party with the protest. So it was good. And if you know about Abhijit Dipke, he has his roots back in Aam Aadmi Party, because he was associated with the social media team of Aam Aadmi Party back in 2020. For 2 years, I think he worked there. Therefore, it was a full circle movement for Aam Aadmi Party and Abhijit Dipke. So it was really good that the major political parties or the MPs of the major political parties are publicly associating themselves with this protest. It was good. But what Rahul Shivshankar did was not good, okay? It was really a stupid video that he made. He posted that video on Twitter. You can go and watch that video. It was really stupid. He was not even, talking to you guys like I am talking. He was reading from somewhere. Whatever. Today is very hot, to be very honest. And today is my birthday. And the sun is boiling us on my birthday. It is not good. Okay. Bye-bye. It was really nice talking to you guys. This is Andalib signing off. Tata.